Hello guys, this is Ethan from Jingle Miner. All of us who own cryptocurrency miners know that if we want to check the status of our miners, such as real-time hash rate, average hash rate, power consumption, or the machine's temperature, right? We need to access the miner's backend. However, to access the backend, your computer or your phone need to be on the same network as your miner, right? You can't use Starbucks Wi-Fi to access your home miner's backend. So I was thinking, what if I just want to monitor my miner in real time while I am enjoying my coffee at Starbucks? Well, today, Jingle Miner has made that possible. Now, regardless of the time or the place, as long as your mobile phone or your computer has internet access, you can simply visit jingleminer.com to monitor all of your Jingle Miner devices, including machine status, real-time hash rate, average hash rate, running time, chip temperature, and all other real-time information. How cool is that? As far as I know, no other cryptocurrency miner brand offers this feature. Today, I am proud to teach our customers with Jingle Miner brand miners how to do it. Alright guys, and let's begin. So first, you need to go to our official website, which is the jingleminer.com. And of course, you need an account first, okay? So if you don't have an account yet, the first thing is to register, okay? And next, you need to update your units. But if you have this model, which is this one, which is the Jingle Miner BTC HASHCARD, then you can skip this step, okay? If you have the rest of it, you need to update your devices. And this is how you do it. So go to support and go to web flasher, okay? And now put the device that you want to update onto your laptop or your PC and connect it, okay? All right, and then click here, connect, and when you see a signal after USB, right? You see USB, GTA, J, something like that, right? And connect. And you're gonna be in this page. And right here, you need to select the model you have. So right now, I'm using this BTC Solo Lite as an example. So I choose BTC Solo Lite. And here, be aware, always choose the latest released. So in this situation is 1.0.5, right? But it could be 1.0.6, 1.0, 1.7, but just always choose the latest, okay? All right, and then start flashing. And all you need to do is to wait, okay? And as long as you see the display or your computer shows another page or the display start to restart, it means you've done. But you can also see the progress over here, right? Flashing progress. Okay, now I'm gonna skip this part. Just teach you what to do after you update your devices. Alright guys, and after you updated your units, you need to go to the top right here and choose My Miners. And this page is supposed to be the page that you can monitor all of your units. But since we don't have any device yet, we need to add miner first, right? So add miner. And here it requires you to put the device UUID and the device secret, right? And where we can find that is the miner's backend. And we all know how to access the miner's backend, right? Because it's to take the IP address of your units to the browser. And also we always put the IP address on the display screen on our miners. Anyway, access the backend, and all the way down you can find the UUID and the secret, right? And all you need to do is just to copy and paste it to the website again, right? Copy paste, and then bind device. That's it. Very simple. And one more thing is here, the backend, right? You can turn off the enable reporting. If you turn it off, then no one can monitor your device. Anyway, right here, this page, you can see all the information that you need, the current hash rate, right? The accepted shares, the rejected shares, and reject ratio, and best difficulty, pool status, and pool address, and the wallet address. I think that's pretty important because you want to see, are you really mining your own wallet address, right? That's important. And the IP address of the device. Anyway, at this page, go back, my miners, you see, you can not only just put this lottery monitor. I mean, I'm using this lottery monitor as an example, right? But you can put multiple miners at this page, okay? Any of it, I mean, each of it will show the detailed information, and it even has the total hash rate over here. So yeah, it's quite convenient. I mean, it's very, very convenient because I can also watch this page, right? Whenever I was. If I'm at the coffee shop, if I'm at the, I don't know, fucking restaurant, fucking, let's see. I can monitor my miners anytime, anywhere. And it doesn't have to be the same network, the same Wi-Fi as my units. Yeah, I think that's pretty convenient. Imagine all the crypto miner brands can do that, right? All right, and that's it. I hope this helpful. If you don't, if you're confused at which kind of step, let me know in the comment and I'll answer them. And of course, if you're interested in diving into our own ecosystem, I invite you to visit jingleminer.com to explore the full lineup of your favorite products. We have really expanded our range. Currently, our product line features the incredibly powerful Bitcoin lottery machine, the Jingle Miner BTC HASHCARD. This little beast pushes a hash rate as high as 12.5 terahash. It is serious power in a small package. We also have something very rare for the community, our dedicated lottery machine for Dogecoin, the Jingle Miner Doge HashCard, which runs at an impressive 600 mega hash. And we didn't stop there. We even have beautifully crafted crypto price monitor. It looks stunning on your desk, but here is the secret. It is also a fully functioning small Bitcoin miner that runs quietly on the backend. And now, if you are looking to purchase any of these models, please visit our official distributor website to place your order. Currently, our list of authorized distributors includes this. We highly encourage everyone to check them out and make your selection. So that wraps up today's video. To all of you out there with a passion for cryptocurrency, please don't forget to smash that like button and follow our channel if you guys think it's helpful. That really helps us out. And also, please feel free to drop a comment in the comment section that what you guys want to see in the next video. I will do my absolute best try to make that happen. And that's it for the video today. I am Ethan from Jingle Miner. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.